There are some differences that you need to be aware of between hardware and software in IT visibility with the technology intelligence platform versus what you will see in IT asset management as an example here. So IT asset sources only import inventory for physical or virtual computers with a full OS. It filters away network gear, routers, switches, etc. It also pulls in data for containers, remote devices, VDI templates, etc. So while you can create hardware assets from procurement data, this does not reflect an associated inventory device unless it is meeting the above criteria, being a physical computer in that context, that it can then be linked to the serial number of the procured hardware asset typically. IT visibility, on the other side, covers more of your device estate, including physical or virtual computers again, but now network devices, printers, etc., that sits in your IT estate. What is not supported right now, as of this date, is containers or virtualization technologies and the relationship between virtual and hardware devices. That is going to become available shortly for IT visibility as well. But there are other things that you may not see in the IT visibility context. Some of your inventory sources are supported by both IT visibility and IT asset management. And when ingested through an IT asset beacon, the inventory is also ingested into IT visibility through an internal pipeline in Flexera 1. The hardware should match, and software products for supported normalization will match. And that includes this list of inventory sources supported by both solutions. There are other inventory sources supported only by IT asset management. For these inventory sources, the inventory will not be loaded into the IT visibility pipeline out of the box. So custom integrations can be made in order to also include these for IT visibility purposes. But there's a list to be aware of in that context here. Some of the inventory sources are supported by IT visibility only, and some of these are listed on this slide. There are other differences. For instance, for hardware, this is the list of differences to be aware of. I don't want to go through this list in detail, but it gives you a background and a set of information to relate back to if you run into some of those use cases. So it's important, but it is also a snapshot in time, and that will change over time as we release new capabilities to facilitate new use cases in IT visibility as an example. Likewise for software differences. At a high level, IT visibility and IT asset management will have to normalize software to a different level, where from a software license management point of view, you can normalize to the major version level typically. IT visibility will have to normalize to the minor version level in order to facilitate its use cases. Some applications are relevant for license management and license optimization purposes, whereas others are not. And IT visibility's view is really to provide a yes or no related to its view of the software components seen in the hybrid IT estate. There's also a difference in private catalogs. They are maintained separately right now between IT asset management and IT visibility. And that means that additions or modifications in one private catalog will not be reflected in the other. No matter what, to Flexera, our data is our differentiation. A unified technology intelligence platform enriched by Flexera's proprietary data and built for the data convergence of its use cases. And this slide then presents a broader view of use cases facilitated through Flexera 1, now also including contracts and entitlements, software use rights, price lists, etc., besides the by IT visibility facilitated use case that we talked about earlier.